Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video to remind you, if you haven't already spotted, that places like Banggood and others are doing all of their Black Friday shenanigans. I know that I've already ordered a couple of things from places like Amazon as well, and I've ordered stuff from Banggood over the weekend too. This is one of the things that I actually ordered from them in the last sale they did. They did an 11/11 sale. I posted about that. They sent me some codes for that as well. This is the Avatar HD Kit V2. I've got this as a spare for an upcoming build that I'm about to do, but it's one of those things that was briefly cheaper on the Banggood site than it was from Cadix directly, and I tend to buy a lot of my walk snail stuff from Cadix directly because it tends to be a little bit cheaper. But I'm going to put the links to some codes I've got for this latest Black Friday sale thing that they're doing down below. Feel free to go and check those out. They might save you some money. I do think the Black Friday thing is a bit manufactured, but actually, if you're like me and you're coming into the dark, cold, rainy months of the year and you're looking to get something to either upgrade and fix an old model, maybe looking to do a new build or two, which is where I am, then it's an opportunity to maybe get your hands on some kit for a little bit less money. Again, links are down below for this, so do go and check them out, and good luck finding the stuff that you need at a lower price. And yeah, what you don't get, I guess, will have to go on our Christmas list. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 60 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.